Tired of your car's factory audio sounding flat and lifeless? Imagine filling your vehicle with clear, crisp highs and rich, thumping bass without breaking the bank. Infinity's new reference speakers deliver exactly that, premium sound quality designed to fit most factory speaker locations seamlessly. If you want to hear your music the way it was meant to be heard, these speakers are worth a serious look. I upgraded the front doors of my 2015 Subaru Outback, which came with the most basic audio setup, no premium options, no center speaker, just light, cheap speakers that barely produced any bass. Turning the volume up only led to static and distortion. After installing the Infinity reference speakers, the difference was night and day. Suddenly, my car was filled with smooth, clear highs thanks to the edge-driven textile tweeters, and the oversized +1 woofers delivered a noticeably fuller, punchier bass. It's not a full sub replacement, but for everyday listening, the improvement was stunning. The sound feels rich and balanced, making every song come alive. What makes these speakers stand out is their thoughtful engineering. The newly designed baskets fit most factory spots, so installation is straightforward. Plus, the larger models include an adjustable tweeter output level control, letting you fine-tune the high frequencies based on your car's acoustics or personal taste. And all this comes at a price that's competitive. Infinity's reference line brings step-up sound quality without the premium price tag. If that's you, someone ready to upgrade your car's audio without hassle or overspending, these speakers are a smart choice. Ready to transform your driving soundtrack? Start with the front doors like I did, and you'll notice an immediate upgrade in clarity and bass response. When you're ready, adding the rear speakers will complete the experience, but honestly, the front alone can make a huge difference. These Infinity reference speakers bring professional-grade sound to your daily drive, making every trip more enjoyable. Try them when you're ready and hear the difference for yourself.